Alright, let's get straight to it. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I make weekly song tutorials, so I'm kind of expecting you to already know how to play guitar to a certain level, and I'll just be giving you the raw materials that you need to learn the songs. So if you want to get hold of the backing track, which I was just playing to, it's completely free. Just click the link in the description, which will take you to my Patreon page, and look for BT99 in the feed. CC99 will be the chord chart, and if you sign up for just $1 a month, you have access to that as well as over 100 others. And that's going to give you the chord diagrams with the fingerings, the note values, the arrangement, the time signature, the key signature, all that good stuff basically that's going to help develop your musical understanding. So enough talk, let's start learning the song. We're going to start by looking at the chords in the order that they feature, then we'll look at the timing, and then the rhythm and some rhythm options. So we want A major 7 sus2, A sus2, F sharp minor 7 add 11, okay, down to the B string, and then there's a variation where we play all the strings, so F sharp minor 7 add 11 star, and then the last chord is going to be a D sus2 add 13. Okay, so the names sound a bit complicated, but the chords are actually pretty straightforward. So starting with the A major 7 sus2, we've got pinky on the 4th fret, high E. This is the major 7, the G sharp. We're gonna play that chord for a bar. Timing's really simple for this one, guys. We're in 4/4 standard tuning, and there are no split bars, so every chord is actually held for a bar. So 4 beats on A sus2, A major 7 sus2, and then take your pinky off. We're gonna play a bar of A sus2. Same again, A major 7 sus2 for 4 beats, and then A sus2 for 4 beats. So A sus2 is a common one you're going to come across. There's an A major, okay, so third finger there is playing the C sharp, which is the major third, flatten it, C natural, that's the minor third, so A minor, and then behind the flat 3 is the second note in the scale, the B. Okay, so now you're playing 1 2 5 from the scale, which is an A sus2, okay, suspended 2 because the third's not in there. And then, as I said, I'm putting the G sharp on top, so that's why it's an A major 7 sus2. Yeah. So that's your first line of 4. I'll do a playthrough after we look at the other 4. From there, we're going to go to F sharp minor 7 add 11. So just thumb to get the F sharp in the bass, and then we don't play the A string. There's your F sharp minor 7 add 11, and then from there we take the thumb and the first finger off. From the D string we're playing D sus2 add 13. Okay, so let me just play through all of that with a count slowly so that you can absorb that information. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Okay, and back to the home chord there, the A. Okay, so once you've got the timing, once you've got the chords and the transitions, we can move on to the rhythm, which is going to be the arpeggio. So it's a really simple one, guys. We're just literally going down and then back up again. So literally, yeah, so in terms of string numbers, you're going 5 4 3 2 1 2 3 4. Yeah, so that's your first bar. In terms of note values, you're just playing quavers, yeah? 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Okay, and then same again. Okay, so that's your first line of 4. Then we go to the F sharp. The picking pattern's going to change slightly here. Let me just play it first. Okay, so the pattern is basically going to be 6 4 3 4 2 3 4 3. Okay, and then the same thing on the D, but obviously move down. Okay, and then when we repeat, we'll go back to the A. It's the same rhythm that you just played, and then when we come back to the F sharp minor 7, we're going to play the variation. So F sharp minor 7 add 11 star, and the rhythm will be the exact same rhythm that you played on the A's, which will be okay, whereas the D will stay with the rhythm we had before, just to give it some variation and some flavor. Really subtle, but will make a big difference. So let me just finish by playing through all of that in order, okay, and then we'll look at some different rhythm options and finish up. Okay, so starting from the top, here we go. Okay, so in terms of rhythm options, we could actually just strum. Okay, just make sure on the F sharp you mute the A string. Okay, or you could go with the picking pattern. So. Okay, so let's just wrap it up there. As always, if you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll get back to you. Remember, if you want to get hold of the backing track, click the link in the description, head over to my Patreon page. And if you want to support my work, signing up will be a great way for you to do that. Also, like the video, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Shout out to CP360 who produced the track, and Only One Mics who recorded the vocals through his phone into WhatsApp. And yeah, I'll leave it there. So hopefully I'll see you again soon. Take care.